Meditation reduces stress, lowers resting heart rate, lowers resting blood pressure, and improves your sleep. Not to mention that it helps you to increase your self-awareness, focus on the present, reduce negative feelings, allows you to become more creative, and more patient. All this gets better when you do it outside. This is A Curious Wonderful Nature, the channel that helps city dwellers connect with nature through folklore, citizen science, foraging, storytelling, myths, and nature-oriented news items. I'm your host, Quinn. I talked about meditation in a previous video about Black women and self-care. That video is listed in the description below. This video is going to focus more on meditation and why it's even better when you do it outside. We all know that not being able to manage stress is bad for you. Too much of it can increase cortisol, and that can lead to diabetes and obesity, especially weight gain around your belly. Additionally, the increase in cortisol can put you at risk for heart disease. Not only can stress wear you out physically, but it can also take a toll on you mentally and emotionally. Having high cortisol levels over a long period of time can increase anxiety and irritability. It also impacts how well you may deal with the minor frustrations of life. I don't think it's any surprise that stress is terrible for your relationships. So we need to manage stress. And this is where meditation comes in. In addition to directly dealing with things that cause you negative stress, like a hostile work environment, a toxic relationship, or incessant doom scrolling, incorporating a daily meditation practice can help relieve the pressure you're facing in your life. I can't stress enough how much you have to deal with those stressors in your life. They are causing you physical, emotional, and mental harm. Meditation and meditation outside is just a piece of the puzzle. But dealing with those major stressors first, toxic environment, relationships that are toxic or bad, doom scrolling, whatever those things are in your life, those have to be dealt with. Meditation is a practice that allows you to go inward. You pay attention to your breath as it goes in and out, and notice when your mind wanders. Breathing and focusing on how your body is feeling and what your body is sensing is an important part of the practice. In the beginning, it's hard to maintain focus. If there are distracting thoughts, which there will be, you learn to become more aware of them and let them flow away. The fact that you have these thoughts is neither good nor bad. It just is. Let them flow and return your focus to your breath. Meditation can give you a sense of calm, peace, and balance that can benefit your emotional well-being and overall health. You can also use it to relax and cope with stress by focusing on something that calms you. Meditation can help you learn to stay centered and keep inner peace. Meditation has been shown to reduce stress, help with heart disease, and decrease chronic pain. Meditating can increase calmness and relaxation, as well as focus. These benefits don't end when your meditation session ends. Meditation can help take you calmly through your day and help with the management of certain medical conditions. Now, that is not to say that you can stop taking your medication, but meditation may help it. Using nature and outdoor spaces in meditation practice has been proven to yield health benefits. I've talked about the benefits of being outdoors and activities outdoors, especially in a recent video about outdoor exercise, which I've linked right up here. Being in natural surroundings can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes calmness and relaxation. Higher levels of parasympathetic activity have been linked to improved emotional regulation and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, a major factor of illness and death in Black women today. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health concluded that nature-based mindfulness is moderately superior to mindfulness meditations conducted in non-natural settings. Additionally, serious meditation practitioners strongly support the effectiveness of being outdoors as part of their practice. One of the reasons outdoor meditation may be beneficial is because when you meditate in nature, your senses become aware of your environment. You notice the wind on your face, the bird song, and the scent of flowers or trees. Many beginners start with short sessions and gradually increase the time they spend meditating. Black women, we're talking about your health here. If you can spend time on social media, if you can spend time scrolling, and probably doom scrolling, which I'm going to say is a bad idea, then you can find at least 3 to 5 minutes for your mental and emotional and physical health. Now, don't stress over de-stressing. As long as you are consistent and as long as you just start, you're going to be fine. Look, I started with about 3 minutes and I moved up to 5 minutes, and now I can do about between 20 and 40 minutes of meditation in one sitting, with getting a session outdoors, about 5 minutes outdoors, about a couple of times a week, in addition to what I do in the inside. So it's just about getting started. The length of the meditation is less important than being consistent, as many meditators agree that they see results practicing in just 10 minutes every day. The most important thing is just to get started and to develop the habit. While there are several types of meditation, I will mention 2 that would be perfect for you to start your meditation outdoors. Here's a side note. If you want to start going outside, but you're feeling a little uneasy about going outside and closing your eyes by yourself, I'm going to suggest that you bring a friend. Now, this friend has to be someone who's going to understand that you are going to have a few moments of peace and silence. Maybe you can trade off. In a video that I did about man or bear, remember that? I mentioned a couple of places that you may wish to try if you are not interested in being outdoors in a city park. In mindfulness meditation, you pay close attention to what you're feeling, thinking, and sensing in the moment. You become gentle with the thoughts that come in while learning to become more aware of the distractions and refocusing on the present. With mindfulness meditation outdoors, you will be aware of the natural environment, the bird song, the wind, gurgling water sources, the scent of flowers if they're nearby, maybe the sounds of trees rustling. It's a great way to start your meditation journey. Guided meditation is a meditation that is led by an experienced practitioner or teacher. This can take place in person, through videos, or via audio. You can take your guided meditation outside. You can put your meditation on your smartphone or other portable device and, with your headphones, experience your guided meditation while being in a natural environment. Here are 3 resources that I will list in the description below. If you are enjoying what you're watching and you are finding this helpful, please consider subscribing. Founded in October 2018 by Jasmine Marie, Black Girls Breathing was created to help Black women heal their generational, societal, and individual trauma. Using breath work as the main tool, Black Girls Breathing has introduced this work to thousands of Black women across the globe. When you sign up for the mailing list, you can have access to several recorded meditations. There are also subscriptions to connect to this community of Black women. The Tiny Sangha Project offers free, secular mindfulness meditation instruction to Black and African American people interested in living a happier life and managing stress. Founded by James Meadows, the Tiny Sangha Project supports Black practitioners who wish to develop meditation practices within practice communities of common heritage. They have small, online meditation groups that are free of charge and facilitated by experienced practitioners of African descent. Mindful.org is an online magazine that provides insight, information, and inspiration to help everyone live more mindfully. They offer courses, personal stories, news, practical advice, resources, and insights about mindful living. They have a concise guide on how to start your meditation practice and offer several guided meditations. Well, that's it. I hope you can take some pointers and start to meditate outside. Let's all find some peace and find some ways to deal with the stress in our lives. I'll provide some links to the studies that I referenced in the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Be curious, stay wonderful, and bye for now.